Welcome. Thank you for your interest in our Cranium MCP server, which provides physical property estimation and physical property data retrieval for large language models. This video provides a step-by-step guide showing you how to connect Cranium to Claude. A similar procedure can be used to connect the Cranium MCP server to other large language models. The connection is done in 5 simple steps. Step 1. We log into Claude. Step 2. We add the MCP server. Step 3. You create your MKS account so you can access the Cranium API. Step 4. You verify your email address. And finally, in Step 5, you start working with Cranium. The entire process should take about 5 minutes. Step 1. Logging into Claude. Open your web browser and navigate to Claude.ai. Or, if you wish, you can use Claude's desktop application. The same instructions apply. Enter your email address and press the Continue with Email button. If you need to create a new Claude account, you will receive a verification email from Claude, or Anthropic, and be asked several questions. Finally, Claude's chat window will be displayed. Step 2. Adding the MCP connector. If Claude's sidebar is not visible, click on the button in the upper left corner of the chat window. Then, click or tap on your profile icon located in the lower left corner of the chat window. Select Settings from the menu. Claude displays the Settings dialog. Click the Connectors button located in the lower left. Claude displays a list of the current connectors. Click on the Add button in the upper right corner. Select the Add Custom Connector menu item. In the dialog window that is displayed, enter the name and the URL of the MCP connector as shown here. Then press the Add button, and finally press the Connect button. Step 3. Creating your MKS account. If you already have an MKS account, enter your email and password and then press the Continue button. Otherwise, click on the Sign Up link, enter your email, and enter a password, and then press the Continue button. A thank you notification will appear listing 3 items. Item 1 asks you to please read and agree to our API Services Agreement, which can be found by clicking on the given link. Items 2 and 3 ask you to verify your email address. We will detail this email verification process in the next step, so for now, just press the Continue button. Step 4. Verifying your email address. Check your email for a message with the subject Cranium MCP Server Account Verification. It is very possible that this email will end up in your junk mail or spam folder, so be sure to check there if you think you did not receive it. Open the email message and click on the Verify Email Address button. A new browser tab will appear with an Email Verified notice. Close this new Email Verified tab and return to Claude. Claude may be in another browser tab. If Claude is not displaying the Connectors dialog, you will need to repeat our previous steps. Specifically, click on your profile icon, select Settings, click on Connectors, and then click on the Cranium MCP Server. The Connectors dialog will now be visible. Step 5. Working with Cranium. In the Connectors dialog, click on the Approval control and select Always Allow from the drop-down menu. Finally, close the dialog. Now the MCP server is connected and you can begin working with Cranium. It is always good to test the connection by entering the phrase "Say hello to Cranium," those specific 4 words. If all is well, Cranium will respond with details on the chemical information it currently has access to. Then, start asking your physical property questions. Ask questions about thermal conductivity, questions about existing database chemicals, questions about estimating the properties of new chemicals, Ask Cranium to generate physical property input files for process simulators. Ask Cranium about the properties of mixtures. For additional documentation, please visit physicalproperties.ai. The website has many example prompts. To copy a prompt, simply hover or tap on the prompt, click the Copy button, and paste the prompt into Claude. Please contact us with any questions or suggestions. Thank you again for your interest in our Physical Properties AI agent.